Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Joanna Moshka. I'm a Nigerian-based content creator and a YouTuber. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're an OG subscriber, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I do my makeup routine. I've gotten a lot of compliments on how flawless my makeup always looks. So I'm going to be doing a video about that. So let's dive right into the video. Bye. First thing you want to do is to dry off sweat from your face. I'm currently using my hand fan to dry off sweat from my face. The next thing I use is to use my Black Girl sunscreen on my face. It gives me that moisturized look I love on my face. So this is me basically applying it on my face. Up next is the Zaron Brown Skin Liquid Foundation in the shade Choco. It gives me that glowy matte plus medium to full coverage, which I love. It gives my skin that skin-like finish, which I love so much. Next off is to use my beauty blender to blend the foundation into my skin. Guys, always make sure you wet your beauty blender before applying your foundation on your skin. Avoid your eye area while applying your foundation to avoid creasing. Next off, I use the Zaron Liquid Concealer in the shade Northern for my highlights. Next, I'm going to blend the concealer until it sets on my skin. Next, I go in with my setting powder. Basically, what I do is just to press the powder onto my skin, then go in with my contour palette to define my face, then blend everything in to get an even shape. Next off is my eyebrows. I brush my eyebrows up, then dab with powder, then line the brows from bottom to the end. Also do the same on top, giving that perfect brow shape. Then I conceal my brows with my foundation from Zaron. Next off is to line my lips. One thing I always do is to overline my lips so it gives this full plumpy look, which I love very much. I always out the shape of my lips. I use the lip matte lipstick. I never forget to apply my gloss because I'm literally a gloss girl. It just gives me that extra sweet girl look. If you like gloss, try it today. Then I apply my mascara from Zaron. This makes my lashes fuller, which I love when on the days when I don't want to wear lashes. Next off, I go in with my highlight. I always never forget to put my highlight because it gives my face the needed zoom I need. Next off, I spray my setting spray from Zaron. It just blends everything to my skin. That's why I love this setting spray. It makes my makeup last longer than usual. Next off, I use this bonding glue from Excel and then apply it to my lashes. Then I use my fan to dry it up. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So that was my detailed makeup look. This is just like my everyday makeup look, not for like occasions and all. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So this is my everyday makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it. Can you see my eyeshadow, my eyelashes? Can you see my brown skin is skinning? I ate, didn't I? Brown skin is skinning. Take a look at the makeup. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in my next video. Bye. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. I don't know what you're doing, so hit that subscribe button right now. Okay, hit that subscribe button right now. Thank you guys for watching. You can also follow me on all my other social media platforms. I'm on TikTok, Instagram. Yeah, so give this video a thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and share this video with your friends. See you in my next video. Bye.